Good morning. We are starting off with snow and milder temperatures this morning, much better than we've started recent days. And watch out for some icy patches, some slick spots on those roads. There's some drifting happening. Oh, it's only an inch of snow, but it's enough to cause some issues for that morning drive or anybody who needs to travel today. Looking at your temperatures, again, a lot better than we've been. We're in the single numbers above zero, 8 in Fargo and in Grand Forks. A couple of places up north below zero, but even then, for you, you're a lot milder than yesterday morning's start. So it's been nice. We saw those temperatures climb in the second half of the day yesterday, and we're kind of staying there here this morning. Our cloud cover still hanging around, and maybe even some light snow still hanging around as well. That will gradually move on. We do have some snow down by the Twin Cities to watch out for if you need to head in that direction. They're still getting some accumulating snow. And wind is out of the south or southeast. We have had some gusts into the 20s, and because it's coming in out of the south generally, those east-west roadways, those are going to be more of your trouble areas as far as drifting is concerned. And visibility down a bit where we're getting snow, where we're getting some of that blowing snow. It's very light, so it's getting lofted pretty easily here. Visibility is improving. We're seeing areas that were at least at 2 miles or above. That's an improvement on earlier today. And checking out your hour-by-hour planner. Some snow starting to depart this morning. This is 9 a.m. You could see most of that just kind of in our eastern viewing area. As we continue into the later morning and into the noon hour, that pretty much clears out, and we're going to have temperatures in the single numbers above zero in most spots. Again, just kind of hanging steady through the morning hours and toward the noon hour. Wind, though, starts to shift as this system departs. We get a northwesterly wind direction. It picks up again, maybe some gusts into the 20s, and temperatures begin their slide even before sunset. We'll start to see some numbers dropping below zero and continuing to do so into the nighttime hours tonight as colder air moves in. So around 6 o'clock, below zero again. It's going to be colder heading home from work today than it will be heading into work. And we're looking at some frigid air again taking over again for tonight and into the day tomorrow. Let's take a look at your Friday. We've got some teens to start. This is below zero again for tomorrow morning. So another frigid morning with clear skies. Gradually we see some clouds build in. There's going to be a little bout of snow that mostly drops to our south and west. It'll be impacting places more like central North Dakota and into South Dakota, but that snow may move just enough eastward that it impacts our far southern counties, southeastern North Dakota especially, and down toward the Sisseton Hills. But generally speaking, most of the valley looking relatively quiet as far as precip is concerned tomorrow. Just plain cold, spending the day again below zero for most locations for your Friday, with highs in the single digits below in a lot of spots. That northwest wind just continues, and we've got some frigid air for your Friday night. So do want to take a look at what's heading our way. We've got another Arctic blast coming in, and this is Friday afternoon. Anywhere you see pinks, that's below zero. This white line here kind of shows where that 0-degree temperature is, and the blues were above zero and the pinks were below. So we've got that Arctic air blasting in Friday, and check out these blues and purples here. It's actually pink and purple. That's teens and 20s below here on the map for Saturday morning, and we continue that trend through the day Saturday into Sunday morning, and that continues even into the new year for New Year's Day on Monday. It starts to modify a little bit on Monday, and we just kind of flirt with colder temperatures for the first half of the week. This is Tuesday, and we're just going to keep going forward here toward midweek and end of week, and it gets much better as we look beyond the 7-day planner. So just hang in there. If these temperatures are just they're tough for everybody, but you know, if you have to work outside or spend a lot of time outside or travel, I know that this is hard, and we'll get through it, but this weekend is going to be tough. Make sure you take it seriously, and next week, as I just showed you, we've got some improving weather on the way into 2018.
We'll take it. 6 above is going to feel amazing after some of the temperatures this weekend. But coming up